So now let's take example of a practical API. This is the onemap.gov.sg website, and I want to extract some data. I want to extract some geolocational data from this particular website for certain MRT addresses. So from here I can actually get a lot of information, say about vaccination centers and whatnot, but I'm only interested in what they call the mass rapid transport or MRT stations of Singapore, and I'm going to use their API to obtain that. So import pandas as PD, import requests. We always use requests when we want to obtain some data of websites. Import JSON. I create a list, which is the list of MRTs. So remember, with this I get a list. So Jurong East MRT station, Bukit Batok, Bukit Gombak, U2 MRT station, and so on. I create a variable df_MRT, pd.dataframe columns in which I'll store MRT, long lat, and this is an empty data frame. Now I create empty lists for addresses, latitudes and longitudes. Then I'm going to use the for loop to iterate through this list. So I'm going to iterate through this list. Request.getF. So basically now I'll provide the common API address like so. You can use the common API address as I've used it here. JData JSON.loads request data. So I'm going to REQ text. So all of these will be stored in the variable REQ, and I'm going to obtain the text, which I'm going to store as JSON in the variable called JData. If JData found is greater than 1, so if they actually find anything corresponding to these MRT stations, for I in JData results, so whatever you have in the results, ADR item address lat long. So basically I'm going to append the address stored in variable ADR to addresses the list. Again, lats, which is an empty list, I'm going to append to this the latitude data that I get from here, and so on. And then I'm going to create row MRT. So MRT is where you have the addresses, longs, latitudes, and convert it to a data frame. pd.dataframe row print df. So now that's how I end up with this data frame of MRT, which is, these are the different exits of the MRT, Jurong East MRT, Jurong East Street 12 MRT, and their latitudes and longitudes.